Welcome to Step House, the ideal spot to begin your new chapter at Newcastle Upon Tyne. This stylish property offers an impressive selection of sleek studios, convenient en-suites, and comfortable two-bedroom apartments tailored to meet diverse student preferences. Each room is fully furnished and designed to provide a perfect blend of study, relaxation, and socialization spaces. At Step House, every detail is designed with a modern student in mind. Ample storage, contemporary fittings, and comfortable study areas. Some rooms even feature a television for the ultimate movie night setup. The shared kitchens come equipped with a fridge and cooker, making meal prep easy. Plus, with central heating, on-site CCTV, and 24-hour security, your comfort and safety are prioritized. All-inclusive rent covers electricity, water, Wi-Fi, and gas, eliminating the hassle of monthly bills. Esteemed institutions like INTO Newcastle University and Newcastle University are just a short distance away, ensuring a quick and easy commute to classes. The property is surrounded by Newcastle's bustling cultural and culinary scenes. Enjoy international cuisine at the French Quarter or grab a coffee at Flat Caps Coffee. For fresh groceries, the Granger Market is nearby. Explore local landmarks like Newcastle Castle and the Baltic Center for contemporary art, or enjoy the city's vibrant nightlife at spots like Digital Newcastle. Discover the perfect blend of study and lifestyle at Step House Newcastle Upon Tyne. Book your spot at amberstudent.com today.